All right, welcome to the live. We are on Friday, August 14th trading session. Let's go over to ES. Yesterday, price made new all-time highs on a very strong move up into. Let me just fix this. Sorry. Okay. Yesterday we made new hourly highs and new all-time highs on ES. So price is very bullish right now, and we're at the all-time highs, so I'm not looking for anything else besides longs until the market tells me otherwise. But right now, it's very bullish, and we've kind of been consolidating throughout the entire overnight session. So we'll see if we take our low of day down here and then have a decent reaction or do something, you know. So let's mark out our low of day. There we go, there's our low of day. We're seeing initial selling off the jump here on ES. Let's see what NQ is up to. So we have an hourly gap down here, right where our VWAP and 200 EMA is on NQ. YM tested an hourly gap up here right off the open and sold off, which is crazy. To be expected though. Huge reaction there off that 200 EMA. Yeah, down. Why is this not getting? All right, let me post this over to the Discord. Okay. Here we go. We got some people fluttering in. Happy Friday. Trading futures on this Friday morning. Market just opened up. Watching. We're testing our 200 EMA right now, so we are just watching for potential reactions out of here. See, NQ moving down as well. Hourly gap on NQ resting right here. We'll see if this area gets tested and we get a reaction out of there. The nice part about this hourly gap is VWAP and 200 EMA are stacked up down there. So, and previous day point of control. So this is a massive support area that I'll be watching. Testing that support area on NQ. I think NQ, that area looks better to me than ES. ES, there's no hourly gap, which is a little frustrating. So NQ kind of has a clear picture of support down here that I want to watch. I agree, even yesterday 200 level, yeah. So we're watching this 200 level. Coming into massive, okay. Coming to support. See if we find support here on NQ. Watching this area, this is a key area for me. Key area. Watching longs. Ta-da. Maybe they dump this. I don't know. Seen some support come in. It's low volume though. Not a lot of volume on this candle. We still have a minute and a half left on it, but not a lot of volume. But that support, it's looking good. Watching longs. Flipped this 5-minute candle. kind of aggressive entry would be something maybe like that. Take it at the hourly gap. What would that be? 3. What's that 15 look like? Dang.
I have to grab something.
Okay.
I'll put my jacket over here.
Let me go. Dang. Showing support at this hourly gap. So we came down, tested VWAP 200 EMA, hourly bullish gap here, closed above it. Now we're ripping to the upside. Hesitated on this entry back at that hourly gap, stop at low of day. What is it, already at a 1-to-1? Close to it. 2-to-1, it was new highs. Dang. What's ES up to? ES doing the same thing. ES took low of day. Dang. I knew it too. Huge bullish gap getting created here on NQ. It's a lot of risk to put on though. If you enter there, about 100 points of risk. Not as clear-cut targets. This is a daily saying. Morning NDZ. Dang, big reaction. Happy Friday. Wow, big reaction up there from sellers. It's a very small gap, but a gap. Starting with the chop already. I mean, we've consolidated all throughout the overnight session too. It's tricky. NQ moving a bit though. I hesitated on this NQ entry at, like, there was a big hourly gap down there. And once we closed above it on the 5, I was like, ooh, I should put a limit order right at that gap. And sure enough, you know, it's already at like a 2-to-1. Just frustrating. 16169.5, just like that. Post this in the Discord. Okay, longing NQ at 32.226. Sizable reaction out of there. Want to see these highs get taken up here. So there's our first TP, if we get there. Okay, which is 32.83. No, my order didn't get filled on the trade I wanted. Order didn't get filled, and then it ran to all the targets and everything. So the trade worked out. I just didn't get filled into anything. I grabbed a long entry off the VWAP yesterday and held it to close for a little profit. Nice. Yeah, longs were printing yesterday. I'm hoping that resumes today. It's Friday. %. Signal, the percent are going up. Right? It was 98 yesterday. Now it's 99. I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for the 100%, you know? Where is that 100% signal? we have news at, news in 3 minutes, so. No, I didn't. I was busy last night. Hopefully it all went well, though. Pretty sure Jordan Love started, though. Which is kind of crazy, but shout out to that. 9-28. Yikes. The Steelers. No, Jordan Love did not. Wait, did I read that right? Oh, yeah, 3 for 5, 18 yards. Elite numbers. I need news to give me the juice. All right, time to lock in. Time to lock in. $20 seconds. Oh, it's doing me dirty. Come on, pump this thing. Show me the juice. Show me the juice. What's ES looking like? Yikes. Come on, find some speed. Oh, it's not looking good. I wanted this to just go boom, right off of that news. Come on. Tested that hourly gap again. There's a decent reaction. Let's keep it pushing. Kind of hitting a wall up there at that, right at that point of control. We're hitting a bit of a wall. You see this, yeah, find acceptance through there. Find acceptance and see a good push. Seeing good momentum here. I want to see this thing hold its strong momentum. Our limit to exit is 86.25, so, or wait, what is that? 32.86. What is 32.86.25? Oh no, we want that at right there. 32.81. Boom. Our exit is 32.81. Come on. Come on. I don't know why, but whenever I trade NQ, it's just, NQ makes me stressed. It is just something about NQ. It just makes me so stressed to trade it. Goodness. I don't know why it does, but it's all the same. I'm risking the same. It all moves. I mean, it doesn't all move the same, but it's all the same. Everything's all the same. It moves the same as ES and all that. Same risk, no matter what. But still, it just is like, I don't know, it stresses me out. NQ's got me sweating. My upper lip sweating. NDZ, when is the Bears preseason game? I respect that. When's your first preseason game? What's the confidence level going into this season? Realistic confidence level out of 10. And are you going to make the NFC Championship game. Rams, Bears, NFC Championship. Rams sadly win because of a missed field goal. Oh, yikes. I feel like this has the makings of a sad day. Super Bowl 50 out of 50. 50-50, oh. Playoffs 8 out of 10. NFC game, NFC Championship game 6 out of 10. Super Bowl 50%. I'm curious to see how the offense evolves. Like, you guys played so many games like you were behind and then like miracle fourth quarter. So I'm curious if like the offense evolves to, reduce some of that stress for all of its fans. They're trying to reduce the stress of all the viewers. Bro, this thing rejected hard. That's a nice keyboard. Appreciate it. Are you on the YouTube or something? Oh. Don't love this chop. We're still fine. We're above everything, but this is sideways. They're going to need 40 points a game. But his defense is bad. Hammer the over on the first 3 games. Just hurt. Ugh. That's the worst. There's nothing worse in, like, as an NFL fan than injuries. And they happen all the time. It's like, you just have to, like, minimize the damage somehow. We are talking football. As I sit in this trade, that I feel like this is going to stop me out. It smells like a stop out. From Seattle's out for the year. What happened? ACL? It's always a knee. It's always a knee. That sucks. I mean, we got Micah Parsons is out till probably week 6. So It has been. I feel like the injuries have just gotten worse and worse and worse, like more frequent. And I don't know if, what do people say? I don't know what the science behind that is. I bet you it's just everyone's just getting bigger, stronger, faster. Like these behemoths of like humans who are whatever, like 6'5", 300 pounds that also can like run, you know, a 4-second 40 and then turn on a dime. You know, it makes sense that the human joints can't handle all that mass and like athleticism. Just people are getting injured all the time. Yeah, like people are just like too powerful, and like the human joint bigger and on turf. Yeah, which I don't know why they don't do make it a rule then for, I guess because there's indoor stadiums. It's just like everyone does grass. But I mean, I can't imagine if I was like, you know, 280 pounds of like pure muscle jabbing and like stopping on a dime, or like, you know, a 400-pound human lands on my ankle. Yeah. Yeah. Settle down. Settle down. Oh, it's gonna stop me out. I feel like I've gotten like decent trades this week, but like all have been kind of just meh. And like this is meh. Like chop all week and then just insane move yesterday and more chop now. I don't know. Just want to see one trade of mine like work well. If that makes sense. I just want to see it work well. Choppy for sure. I'm in longs and I feel like these longs are about to get stopped out. Hopefully not, but it feels like it. Yeah, this is so cooked. Just gonna probably take this low and then rip. Prove me wrong though, NQ. Prove me wrong. Two. Ugh. Gross. Oh, there's a stop. Here we go, and right about. Nope, not yet. Right about now. Nope. And 3, 2, 1. No, okay. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Stopped. Sick. Darn it. Stopped out of that trade. Oh well. Does this thing want to sell? Maybe it wants to sell. Get rid of that. We got low day right there. So NQ took yesterday's high, swept that, through some manipulation here. Now we're selling off. NQ's got some ways to go. I'd like to see this candle close though below this low. That would be better confirmation in my opinion. $3193.50. I like that closure. We're going to put a short up at 3193.50. Oops. All right. I'm gunning for a short on NQ. Hopefully that's not a bad idea, but I'm gonna get some more coffee and then I'll be back. But limit order is set at 3193.50. So we'll see if that happens. Oh, this is selling hard. If we take these lows, I'll probably pull the order, but order remains as is. I'm hoping I get filled in. But yeah. I mean, I was in long, sadly. I got smoked. I thought we had a chance on that move right there, but yeah. But no dice. Dang. Is it going to pull back? Is it going to give us our entry? It's a lot of 1, 2, 3 stacked lows down there. Three stacked lows. $32,555. 32. So I'm putting it. Let's see what we get here. There's a lot of, that's a relative triple equal low down here. I mean, it's also a lot of highs up there. I got my limit set at, let me see, 193.50. $183, where's that at? 183. It's going to take that low. This might run to all those stacked lows. If so, that's when I'm pulling the order. If we take that low of day, that's kind of like the main target area. You know, we could easily displace through that right here. So we'll see if we get our entry, but if we take that low of day, it's over. It's trying to hold. Once again, 3193.50 is my entry. We're not filled into the trade yet. Took an initial loss today trying to long off this hourly gap right here. So tried to long off that hourly gap and a hold of our 200 EMA and VWAP. But then we got, price broke through. And now we're holding below, so makes me think that this wants to sell. Well, this is, now we're chopping again. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Does price want to take out these stacked highs though? I mean, 1, 2, 3 strong lows down here. Back up we go. ES has huge displacement through there. Oi, 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 oi. NDZ, do you have a trade entry you're looking at on SPY? Long if it gets over that 10:30 Eastern candle. Long. Why long? Oh, I see, I see. cross over the 21. Just consolidating right now. Curious what it wants to do. This feels like on NQ we're just going to sell off into low of day. And then I'm not going to get filled into the short that I wanted. It's fine. Oh, shout out to all the 10 a.m. traders. Now we just chop. Yep, always. Move, chop, move, chop, move, chop, move, chop. So we gotta start trading Asia. We gotta give it up. We gotta give up New York. I can feel it. I can feel it. What's gonna happen? What is going to happen? Brain rot, yeah. I'm losing my mind right now too. I'm like, oh, I've been staring at this all week. All week I've just been like staring at this kind of sideways like frustration, and I'm like, oh, my head hurts. Just tired. Zero volume right now. Oh, I'm tired today. Yay. It's been a long week, you know? It's just been a long week. Yeah, there it goes. All right, polling order. There goes all the targets. Oy. I'm tired. I'm tired of this. Oh my goodness. Do I take this YM trade? Is YM gonna do good to me? Feels like, I don't know. There's a big reaction from that low. It's a high volume candle. Yeah. For sure. What does this look like? It's Right at that 200 EMA though. I don't know. Taking all those stacked lows. I mean, you could theoretically target this low over here. And then, I mean, there's so much imbalance that you could also be targeting. But now, if like, what I would wait for is a retest here, and then I want to see more displacement. You know, that would be the time I would take a short. But I wouldn't. I'm pulled the limit order. I would need further confirmation in order to take a short off that zone. Do I send this YM trade? Do I send this YM trade? Feel Good Friday. The issue at hand is support off 50% of that wick. So it's probably gonna work though. You know, anything that I pass on works. Anything that I take loses. Da, da, da. There's so many different brokers you can have on here. Weeble. Moo is a broker. All right, I'll be back. All right, where are we at? Hot damn. Dang. So sad. Like I want to wait around. I feel like this, could pull back up into here, and then, we see strength in the PM session, but I don't know. Maybe I just call it a day and call it an L. I gotta stop taking trades off of like weak gaps like this. Like that's weak. It's weak, 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 weak. Gotta stop doing that. YM. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I saw it. I had it. Very choppy sell-off. No gaps created on that move down. Starting to see a little bit of life. A little bounce. Yeah. I mean, this is screaming sell off. What a weird week. Yeah. Could see it. Chop E. Put an alert right there. Here's the zone. Surely it's not straight down. I don't know. It's just all week to it. It's just been, been taking no prisoners. It's been a weird and kind of tough week. Dang. Oops. I missed as well. It's all good. I think a lot of people missed, or just, I don't know. It just happened so quick. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. Going now. Do we just say short now? Short now? 7.779, 7.75? I did. I like it. On what? NQ or ES? NQ. I assume that's what you mean. Yeah. I don't mind it. Just saying, ain't no way that gets back above that candle. Data low, here we come. This is the pullback. Ooh. No, I don't think so. I don't think ain't no way we get above that candle. There's created that gap in there. Blindly take. Short now or forever hold your peace. We're going to be respecting structure. Yeah. It was quick. Yeah, this is about to go. Oh, well, what a letdown of a day. I was excited going into this day. Truly was. Got waxed at these longs. And then we sell off. Oh well. What's ES up to? Fuck it. All right, I put a limit at 805.25 on ES. Targeting yesterday 7797.75. A little late in the game on it. Am I chasing? Potentially. Is this going to work out? Maybe. Where's that, like, nice little... Okay, what was that? Do you form any trading opinions based on how previous... what do you mean? I can feel it moving, moving. I'm so tired. Ugh. It was 5 a.m. gym again this morning, and it's finally starting to catch up to me. Where I'm like, oh shit, I'm exhausted. R.I.P. to my brain. R.I.P. to my brain. Yeah, like New York likes to reverse London, and if London's range. I don't know. I haven't looked at that. I think the concept makes sense though. If I lose this trade, I deserved it because that's a gamble. I needed to feel something. A Friday gamble, 2 L's. After, yeah, then I'm for sure walking away. It's going to take some off here, take some off there. Then just going to see where it goes. Come on, just sell off all day. Slow crawl, sell off all day, all day. Woo. My hands are sweaty. This just doesn't feel good. That's probably why. Just feels like a bad trade. Panicking and trying to cope with my decisions here. Panicking and trying to cope with my decisions here. Just give me that first take profit, and I swear I'll be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. We just sell off to the lows. Everything's gonna be okay. We just sell off to the lows. Come on, don't do that to me. Just go to the lows, please. Give me a little take profit. I'm so bored of this. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I'm so bored of this. Sell off to the lows. Bruh. Bruh. There we go. Hello. Break even stops. Next take profit is this area. Break even stops. Dump. I say dump. What is that? 7797.75. 7797.75 is the next area. Stops at break even. I shorted too. I hate like when it's so overextended like this, and every time I trade like this, it just, I don't like it. Yeah. I'm at break even now. I'm also targeting that. I took a lot off there. I'm going to take a little bit more off there, and then I'm just going to say whatever. But I hate taking trades like this. But you know, the days where I don't take it and I hesitate on it, it just extends and it keeps going. So I'm like, you know what? Have some cojones and just take it. So that's the the trading strategy, is have some cojones. But take profit one hit, break even now. I guess this is, we're chilling. Get back some of the L. I can feel it. Can you feel it now? All is forever. Sorry to whoever's no one's on YouTube. Lame. Can you feel it now? Want this forever? Oh, that's right there. That's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. That's gonna do it. And out. Yeah. Oh well. Burgers, welcome in. Well, we got a little back. See if it was a good break even or a bad break even. Ooh, could be a bad break even. Dang. Should have taken that YM trade. I literally set it right as it was moving up. I'm like, I should probably take this. And then it prints. Yeah. I hate shorting when it's so extended like this. I mean, theoretically, thinking back to this trade, I mean, you want to hold runners, but should have just taken it all off at 1-to-1. Yeah. It's going to go now, for sure. Just had to gather up our stops, and now it's ready to roll. All right. What a bummer about this trade. Dang. This is hourly gap up here. Previous day point of control. Tested the midpoint. Boom, came up, swept. Reject. Displaced through 200 EMA and VWAP. Short, down to lows. Oops. That is going to be the trade of the day right there that I missed. Whatever, I'm fine. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. All right. I'm out of here. I am out of here. Just going to call it on a red day. Got some back on this trade right here, though. So it wasn't as bad as it could have been. But yeah, this is about to run to the target, which sucks, but oh well. Kind of felt like that might happen. But yeah, see you guys. We'll see you on Monday for Market Open. Potentially a Sunday Asia session stream. Potentially. But definitely on Monday morning, we'll be here. Hopefully next week is we get something, you know. We're just looking for no. Hopefully we get something next week. Monday, no Sunday. Well, we'll see. Anyway, peace. Have a good weekend, everyone. We'll see you on Monday.